thought today maybe we could learn some very easy words. But I think I'm gonna need your help. Do you want to learn with me? You do? Wow! Let's try some very easy ones, okay? Do you know how to say this word? Now let's break it down very slowly, okay? Let's sound out each letter. K, A, T. Cat. Yeah, now you try. Yeah, that's really good. Let's try that one more time. K, A, T. Cat. Yeah, cat. Let's try this one. D, A, G. Dog. Yeah, you try it. That's right. Dog. One more time. D, A, G. Dog. What else? I got the perfect word. How about this one? I think you know what this is. Remember, let's break it down by the sound. Each letter. P, I, G. Pig. Yeah, you try now. Now remember, break it down very slowly. P, I, G. Pig. Pig. Yeah! Wow, you're doing so good. I think one more will be good enough for now. You ready? How about this one? K, ow, wa. Cow. K, ow, wa. Cow. Yeah, you try it. Wow, awesome. See, we can break down very simple words by sounding out the letters. You can try it with any word. Should we try maybe just a couple more? Okay, let's try this one. Do you know how to say this one? Remember, we'll break it down very slowly. H, A, T. Hat. Yeah, you try. Awesome. I think one more. T, A, P. Top. Yeah, you try it. Perfect. Now I think I have a perfect song for us to try so that we can remember how to break down the words. Do you want to sing it with me? You do? Wow. Okay, let's try it. C-A-T, that spells cat. C-A-T, cat. 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 C-A-T. Wow. D-O-G, that spells dog. D-O-G, dog. 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 D-O-G. P-I-G, that spells pig. Pig? P-I-G, pig. 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 P-I-G. C-O-W, that spells cow. C-O-W, cow. 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 C-O-W. Wow! Awesome! I think we should sing through it one more time. Ready? C-A-T, that spells cat. C-A-T, cat. 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 C-A-T. Wow! D-O-G, that spells dog. D-O-G, dog. 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 D-O-G. P-I-G, that spells pig. Pig? P-I-G. Pig. 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 P-I-G. C-O-W. That spells cow. C-O-W. Cow. 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 C-O-W. Yeah! That was really good. And see how simple it is to break down some words? Now you can try it with any word. And I think that's just enough for today. Okay, bye!